Welcome to the future of connectivity. Today, we introduce you to a product that excels in industrial and IoT applications. The H900f 5G Dual SIM Industrial Router. This router is not only suitable for machine-to-machine communication and IoT applications, but also excels in in-vehicle applications. The H900 series industrial 5G router is a compact, ruggedized Gigabit Ethernet 3G 4G LTE 5G router with dual tri-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz 5 GHz, and dual SIM options. Whether it's high-speed data transfer or multi-device connectivity, the H900f has you covered. The H900f router comes with a range of high-quality accessories to ensure optimum performance. This includes a 5G rubberized antenna, Wi-Fi dual-band antenna, GPS antenna, RJ45 network cable, power plug, power adapter, and serial cable. These accessories ensure stable connectivity and reliable performance of the H900f in a variety of environments. The H900f industrial 5G router is widely used in more than 20 industrial fields. It ensures real-time video transmission in CCTV security monitoring systems, provides reliable in-vehicle network connectivity in vehicles, enables remote monitoring and management in vending machines, and guarantees stable data transmission in power control systems, whether it's traffic management, oil field monitoring, weather forecasting, or environmental protection. The H900f is playing a vital role. Thank you for viewing our presentation. If you need more information, please visit our website or contact our sales team directly. Schellens is always committed to providing you with the best web solutions. Looking forward to working with you.